Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an offer on Vinted. First, log into your Vinted account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Profile from the drop-down. Scroll down to your listings. Click on the item you want to delete. Scroll down and click Delete. Click Confirm and Delete. Your item has now been removed from your profile. You can re-upload it anytime if needed. And that's it. That's how to delete an offer on Vinted. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.